नई दिल्ली 5 मार्च 2025 दी एनर्जी एंड रिसोर्सेज इंस्टीट्यूट टेरी द्वारा आयोजित विश्व सतत विकास शिखर सम्मेलन WSTS का 24वां संस्करण आज नई दिल्ली में शुरू हुआ। सतत विकास और जलवायु समाधान को गति देने के लिए साझेदारी थीम पर आधारित YSTS 2025 वैश्विक नेताओं, नीति निर्माताओं, उद्योग विशेषज्ञों और अन्य हितधारकों को एक साथ लाने के लिए एक मंच प्रदान कर रहा है, जिससे महत्वपूर्ण पर्यावरणीय चुनौतियों के समाधान को गति दी जा सके। स्वागत संबोधन देते हुए टेरी के अध्यक्ष श्री नितिन देसाई ने वैश्विक स्थिरता विमर्श को आकार देने में शिखर सम्मेलन की भूमिका को रेखांकित किया। उन्होंने कहा, टेरी सतत विकास को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए आवश्यक कदमों की पहचान करने और साझेदारियों को प्रोत्साहित करने पर विशेष ध्यान देता है।
My name is Aditi Dev, and once again a very warm welcome to the inaugural session of the 24th edition of the World Sustainable Development Summit WSTS, TERI's annual flagship event on sustainability. A huge round of applause for convening this momentous event. Thank you. As the only independently convened international summit on sustainable development in the global south, WSTS brings together global leaders to drive impactful solutions. This year's theme, Partnerships for Accelerating Sustainable Development and Climate Solutions, is more relevant than ever. By fostering global cooperation, WSTS aims to shape a more sustainable and equitable future. So we will begin the event shortly. We will just wait for our dignitaries to come on the dais. I request everyone your kind patience, please. Thank you.
Coordinated action for the global cause.
With policy support, socio-cultural options and behavioural change can reduce global greenhouse gas emissions by at least 5% in the near term.
A stressed, depressed planet cannot create a happy environment, a healthy environment.
It is critical to unite in our shared commitment to foster sustainability and equity for all people and planet.
The impact of the COVID pandemic shows the difficulties but also the need to respond as soon as possible to global challenges.
Tackle the deaths where the climate protection is.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are indeed privileged to have with us today, gracing the event with the presence of our distinguished and eminent dignitaries on the dais. Please join me in welcoming His Excellency Brigadier Mark Phillips, Honorable Prime Minister of Guyana. Thank you, Excellency, for joining us today. Please join me in welcoming Her Excellency Ms. Marina Silva, Honorable Minister of Environment and Climate Change of Brazil. Thank you, Excellency, for joining us today. Please join me in welcoming the Honorable Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, Shri Bhupendra Yadav. Thank you, sir, for being here with us today. I extend a warm welcome to Mr. Nitin Desai, Chairman TERI. Thank you, sir, for being here with us today. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Vibha Dhawan, Director General TERI. Thank you, ma'am. And I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Shelly Kedia, the Curator of the World Sustainable Development Summit, TERI. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us today. Thank you all the dignitaries for gracing the occasion with your presence. Thank you. To begin the event, on an auspicious note, I request the dignitaries on the dais to please proceed for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I request the dignitaries for a group photograph, please. A group photograph, or maybe we can, yeah, yes. Thank you so much.